Dear students, in second chapter, statistics, presentation of data. In previous video, we have discussed meaning of classification and then classification of quantitative data. In quantitative data, discrete frequency distribution we have discussed. Continuous frequency distribution, in that we have discussed exclusive classes, exclusive frequency distribution we have discussed. Exclusive means lower boundary point will come in same class, upper boundary point will go to next class. That is exclusive frequency distribution, just 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. That is exclusive frequency distribution that we have discussed. Now, inclusive frequency distribution. Inclusive frequency distribution means lower boundary point as well as upper boundary point both will be in same class. See, in your textbook, page number 21, illustration number 3 is given. During a season of 50 days, data regarding the number of roses grows daily on the different plants in a garden are given below. Prepare frequency distribution from it having one class as 30, 39. So 30, 39, that should be one class. Now hint is given. Now all values are given. Total 50 values are given. So 34, 34, 26, 45, column wise, 35, 46, 55, like this way all values, 50 values are given. So first of all, we will check here, we will find out range, means XH, highest value of the observation, XL, lowest value of observation. Highest value is 99 and lowest value is 17. So range R is XH minus XL, 99 minus 17, that is 82. So 82, that is range. Now we want to take one class as 30, 39 means class length is 10. So first value is lowest value 17, it should be come in first class. So we can take 30, 39, this is our important class. So to consider, to adjust lowest value 17, we can go reverse. So 30, 39, then 20, 29, reverse side, and 10, 19. In 10, 19, 17 will come, so no need to go again reverse. So 10, 19, 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 49, 50, 59, 60, 69, 70, 79, 80, 89, 90, 99. Now, for example, 30, 39, so 30 and 39 both will come in same class. 40, 49 both will come in lower and upper, both values will come in same class. That's why it is known as inclusive frequency distribution. Now in this sum, after adjusting here, hint is given 30, 39, one of the classes, and tally marks and number of days of the frequency. Now we can take, so column wise we will go here. See, dear students, so first column 34, 26 and 45. 34, 26 and 45, so 45 will come here. Then second one 35, 46, 55. 35, 46, 55. 37, 65, 57. 37, 65, 62, 69, 65. 57, 50, 59, that is 57. Fourth column 39, 65, 66. 39 will come in this 30, 39, 39. 65, 65, 62, 69 and 66, 62, 69. Now 39, 53, 82. 39, so 39. 53, so 53. 82 here, 80, 89, 82. Next 54, 53, 85. 54, 53, 85. 52, 72, 35. 52, 72, 35. So 35 will come here. Now dear student, next be careful about all these columns and values. 69, so 69 will come here. 71 and 19, so 71, 19 here. Now 71, 84, 18. 71, so 71 will come here. 84 will come here. And 18 in first class. 75, 94, 28. 75, 94, 28, 74, 34, 47, 74, 34, 47, 76, 24, 52, 76, 24, 52, 52 will come here. 84, 99, 64, 84, 99, 64, 96, 19, 75, 96, 19 and 75, 23, 18, 23, 18, 33, 27, 33, 27, 51, 17, 51, 17, 39, 38, 39, 38. Okay, so all values. Now we will write here total. So according to this, we will get here total. See, 5, 5, 10. Now 3, 8, 5, 7, 4, 3. Total 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 20, 23, 23 plus 8, 31, 31 plus 5, 36 plus 40, 47 and 3, 50. Total frequency is 50. So this is our inclusive frequency distribution. Now, dear students, if we want to convert that inclusive, so exclusive frequency distribution means upper boundary point goes to next class. Inclusive frequency distribution means lower boundary and upper boundary both will come in same class. So values. Now, if we want to convert this inclusive frequency distribution into exclusive frequency distribution, then we can convert it. So lower boundary point, it is lower limit. So lower boundary point equal to value of lower limit of that class plus value of upper limit of previous class divided by 2. For example, if we want to calculate lower boundary point of this class 2029, then according to the formula, lower value of lower limit of that class is 20 plus upper limit of previous class is 19. So 20 plus 19 divided by 2. So we can take 20 plus 19 divided by 2. So 20 plus 19 divided by 2, it means it will come 19.5. 39 divided by 2 means 19.5. So this class is 19.5. Upper, so value of upper limit of that class and value of lower limit of succeeding class. Now this, so 29 plus 13, lower limit of succeeding class. So again 29 plus 30 divided by 2. So 59 divided by 2 means 29.5. So 29.5. Now for all classes, class length is 10. 19.5 minus 10, 9.5. 9.5 plus 19.5 or 29.5 9 minus 10 means 19.5. So 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, like this way. So this inclusive class is converted into exclusive frequency, exclusive class. If you want to calculate mid value of the class, the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 10 plus 19 divided by 2, you will get lower limit, mid value, 10 plus 19 divided by 2, 20 plus 29 divided by 2. Here also you can get value. 19.5 plus 29.5 divided by 2. So you will get the value, mid value. So mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So like this way, in continuous frequency distribution, inclusive classes or exclusive classes, whatever it, we can calculate it. Or we can calculate now unequal class and everything. So one by one we will discuss all these formulas. So it is inclusive. Exclusive already we have discussed it. And inclusive can be converted into exclusive. Now dear students, I am going to discuss cumulative frequency. Cumulative CFI column means total of the frequency, first class frequency, then second class. So first class frequency plus second class frequency, then third class. So addition of the frequency, that is cumulative frequency, that we can do in less than type or more than type. So cumulative frequency distribution. So first of all, sum of frequency up to the value of an observation or class is called cumulative frequency. This is denoted by CF, cumulative frequency. So sum of frequencies up to the value of an observation or up to the class is called cumulative frequency. It is denoted by CF, and distribution is called cumulative frequency distribution. Now less than type and more than type. So the sum of the frequency up to the specified value of the observation upper boundary point of a class, up to that particular class upper boundary point, that less than type, that is considered as less than type cumulative frequency. So less than type means less than 19, less than 29, less than 39, less than 49. So less than 49 means less than 39, less than 29, less than everything will include in that less than 14. So that is less than type. More, so in less than type we will take less than upper boundary point, and more than type, that will be more than lower boundary point. So see, the sum of the frequencies of the specified value of the observation on lower of the specified, lower limit of the specified class, the value of class is succeeding to it, called more than type frequency distribution. So lower limit of their particular class to all succeeding classes, that is more than type. And less than type, so look more, suppose more than 20, so more than 20 means 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60 up to the last class, everything we will calculate in more than type. And less than 40 means 10, 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, everything will be there in less than 40, less than 30, less than 20, like this way we can write. Okay, now less than type we can convert and more than type we can convert. So now we will try to understand this less than type and more than type. So in your textbook, illustration number 7 is given. I am going to discuss that illustration. Dear students, in page number 25, illustration is given frequency distribution of monthly income of 500 in month. Illustration 7, page number 25, it is given 500% is as under. Obtain less than type and more than type. Frequency and classes are given 25, 30, 30, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50, 55. All classes are given, and from these classes we can go. So if we want to write, I can write class first. So see, to understand this, original class of illustration 7, 25 to 30, 30, 35, 35, 40, 40, 45, 45, 50, 50, 55, 55, 60 class, and frequency it is 30, 80, 100, 50, 150, 80 and 10, so total 500 here. Now we can convert. So original distribution is this, it is exclusive 25, 30, 30, 35, so it is original. Now we want to convert that into less than type. So less than type we will write here upper boundary point. So here 25 to 30, so upper boundary point of previous class will be 25. So we can write for our understanding less than 25. Less than 25. So 25 to 30 are given. Less than 25 nothing is here. So we can write here 0. Less than 25 is 0. Now less than 30. So less than 25 it will be 20, 25 original class. So here 0. So we have written. Now less than 30. So less than 30 means 30 it is given. So 0 plus 30. 0 plus 30 equal to 30. Less than 35, so all three. 0 plus 30 plus 80, it is 110. Now less than 40, so 0 plus 30 plus 80 plus 100 means 210. Like this way we will add all. So this is known as CFI, cumulative frequency. Now less than 45, so again we will add in all plus 50, so it will be 260. Less than 50, so less than 50, 260 plus 150, so 410. 260 plus 50, 310 plus 410. Then 80, so again plus 80. All you have to write all these, so it will be 490. And lastly less than 60 means these are all less than 60, so plus 10, so it is 500. So last class upper boundary point less than means total frequency, so less than 500. So in FI column we are adding one by one each class frequency. So first is 0, then 30, so 0, then 0 plus 30, then 30 plus 80, then 110 plus 100, like this way. So we are getting less than type. More than type means we will take lower boundary point. So here this symbol is less than type, this symbol is more than type. So more than 25, so more than 25 means all, more than 25 totally 500. All you can write here, more than 25, so 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10 means 500. Total 500. Total 500 here. Less than, sorry, more than 25, so total all frequency 500. Now more than 30, it means 30, this more than 30, so less than 30 it will not come. So all these in excluding this 30, so 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10 means 470. Then more than 35, so 80 we will cut it to 100 plus 150 plus, sorry, 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10. So this will be 390. Then more than 35, more than 40, so we will cancel 100. So 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10, so 290. Then more than 45, so this 50 more than 45 means this all more than 45. 150 plus 80 plus 10 means 240. Then more than 50 means this, so 80 plus 10 means 90. More than 55 is 10 equal to 10. And more than 60 no class, so more than 60 is 0. So like this way. So in less than type total will plus 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 plus, and in more than type it will like reverse format. So in less than type we will take upper boundary point less than, and more than type lower boundary point more than type. So it is less than type and more than type frequency distribution. You can do all these things. Now dear students, very good illustrations are given, and good illustrations, many illustrations, cumulative frequency, less than type, more than type, many illustrations are given. So try to solve. On page number 29, points for preparing continuous frequency distribution are given, so read it. And sums related with exercise 2.1 as well as illustrations, 17 illustrations are given. So I have discussed main points. Now try to solve all 17 illustrations as well as all sums of exercise 2.1. Next time I will discuss classification of qualitative data. Very important. Now we have discussed here classification of quantitative data. In quantitative data, two types of classification: discrete distribution and continuous distribution. In continuous distribution, again two types: inclusive classes and exclusive classes. So be careful about all. Try to solve all sums, illustrations. Work hard. Please cooperate. Thank you. Thank you so much.